Hi, good afternoon. It's Bob Webster, Compass Real Estate in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It is Thursday, July 21st. Well, I'm here at a beautiful home that we have listed for sale in the South Shore Club on the south shore of Geneva Lake. We're doing a broker open here today. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home on the market. It was just reduced today to $3,495,000. Just finished the broker open house, but thought I would take just a minute and walk you through real quick and give you a feel for this beautiful home and what it has to offer. So the home is in the South Shore Club, meaning it is one of the 39 homes on 40 acres in the beautiful South Shore Club setting on the south shore of Geneva Lake. The home has a beautiful 2-story entry here. Lots of nice, bright decorating and finishes here. We have a beautiful open kitchen with a center island, stainless appliances, very bright open floor plan, living room here with one of 3 fireplaces, vaulted ceiling, great views looking out at the common area. The nice part about the South Shore Club is that no one here owns a lawnmower, so the grounds are all completely maintained by the association. This home actually has 3 fireplaces. We have a natural fireplace here on our screen porch. Pretty wood ceiling here with the wainscoting beadboard and a nice stone fireplace. Natural, again overlooking the common area. The home does have 4 bedrooms, but we do have a main floor den office that could be utilized as a main floor bedroom. Does have a door and a window out looking at the screen porch, but a nice built-in cabinet. Does have a closet and an attached bath here with a shower. So if someone were looking for a main floor bedroom, this could work. Main floor laundry, beautiful setup there. Adjoining mudroom. Out to our 2-car garage. Actually, it's 2+, meaning that many folks here, including these folks, utilize a golf cart to get down to the pool and the lake. Does have a Modine unit here. And that is pretty much our main floor. Back to the 2-story entry foyer. So at the top of the stairs here, we have the first of our 4 bedrooms. Beautiful blue bedroom with plenty of room for kids or grandkids. We do have wood floors here on the 2nd floor. Nice chair rail accent to the hallway. Bedroom number 2 with a very attractive Jack and Jill bathroom arrangement here, where each bedroom has its own vanity and the tub and stool are shared between the 2 bedrooms. Nice spacious bedroom number 3. And a very attractive master bedroom here. There's Bob. So we have sort of a tray ceiling here, vaulted ceiling in the master. Some nice views looking out at, again, the common area and trees. Got a pretty blue sky and white puffy clouds out there today. And a very attractive master bath here with soaking tub, dual vanities, a nice separate shower, and a walk-in closet. Nice open stairway coming downstairs to the finished lower level. We've got a really nice setup here for a rec room, family room, great TV arrangement. The home does have 3 fireplaces all together. This is an electric fireplace that was added down here in the walkout lower level. Pretty area with, again, a nice patio looking over the common area. Got some natural light with windows here, so you don't feel like you're in a dungy basement. There is one room that they're using as additional sleeping space. This room does not have a window, so we're not counting it in our 4-bedroom count. So it's just additional sleeping area. And then we do have a nice full bath here, again with the same nice neutral colors and decorating. So full bath with a shower. And there you have it.